Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to the mess and the chaos. I've definitely gotten a head start. I have done that whole wall, and now I'm just finishing up these bottom rows on this wall, and then we get to go to the big one. But now we are taping out for the dark blue squares. So I was talking about in the last video how I'm not actually going to trace the blue squares. We're just going to use the whites. And I'm going to bring you a little bit closer and then I'll show you what I meant by that. Okay, so the dark blue square is in the middle of these whites. And so I'm just taking my tape. I'm going from lining this up with this white edge to lining it up with that white edge. And then that is it. I think this will be good because sometimes the squares shift because, you know, we're human. So this is kind of accommodating that and keeping our square centered in the middle because we're going off of these white squares. So they all should line up pretty good. We're going to do the same thing with these squares as we did with the white tape or white taped squares. Is we're going to put a layer of light blue in the middle and let that dry. So hopefully today, it's pretty early in the morning right now. There's a bug. But I can get all this taped and I can get the blue painted. And then hopefully later today we can get to the dark blue. This is going to be an exciting day because we're finishing up. What? It feels so good, but I also think I've got a long day ahead of me. So here's some time lapse, but I think this one's going to be a little bit shorter today because I don't know how much more taping you can watch me do before you're like, move on. Here we go. I do think I'm going to run out of tape. This is my last roll. I bought a 3-pack and I thought that would be more than enough. And I think we'll be close, but I'm probably going to need another roll. So that just means I get to go back to Lowe's again. Is that just not the way that it goes though? You start one thing and you think you have all of your materials and then you have to go back to the store at least 3 more times before you finish it. Okay, we're moving right along. I think it's kind of cool the design that the tape is making in the white. Isn't that fun? We are definitely playing tape chicken. Usually we're playing bobbin chicken, but it's tape chicken. This definitely will not be enough to finish the wall. I know that for sure. But what's our guess? How far am I going to get before I have to go to the store? I originally guessed the last 4 rows. I would not be able to finish the last 4 rows. So I get these ones. I'd get to here, essentially. Because 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's your guess? We may not even make it that far. We'll see, huh? Well, my guess was definitely off. We did not get nearly as far as I had hoped on that last roll of tape. But we've got a good chunk of the way done. Let's combine 2 empty rolls of tape to make 1 full roll of tape. It's magic. I'm still bringing magic to you. Here's another full roll, and this will definitely get us the rest of the way. Let's keep taping. Because, I mean, what else could we possibly do with our time but tape a bunch of squares on a wall? taped every single one of these squares and my fingertips are never going to forgive me. It is done. So now we get to put the kind of the seal on the tape with the light blue. So we'll go in and paint inside all of this tape to get it ready for dark blue after. I can do hard things. I like the painting part. The painting part is satisfying. The taping is like never ending. Okay, look. Is that crazy? It did not use any at all. I do like Valspar for that. I feel like they've got a good primer in there, but man, I thought I'd use a lot more paint than that. I have finished painting all of the squares, and I have even gone back and done like a little touch up for parts of the tape that seem a little bubbly still. So I have completely finished. Now we just gotta wait for that to dry, and then it is time for dark blue. It's gonna be worth it. It is going to be worth it. All right, I will see you in a little bit. All right, it has dried and we are officially on to this darker blue. It's so pretty. This is the same blue that I have out in the living room in the basement, and I just love it so much. It's such a beautiful blue. So a lot of time has passed. I've made dinner and everything. I made some dough for rolls, and of course the whole front of my shirt was like covered in flour and dough. They don't make kitchen counters tall enough for me. All the counters sit like here, and so everything gets stuck to me at a weird height because I need more accentuation in that area. Let's put some dough on it. All right. So we are going to trim out this section and then the walls. We have one edge to trim over there, to trim by the door. Oh, and the baseboards. Okay, there's actually a lot more trimming than I thought. I was like, oh, trimming will be so fast. Let's start some trimming. I'll probably just do a little bit and then I'll paint with you guys here too. So I actually hate this paintbrush. I'll be back. I am a Purdy fan. And these are nice paintbrushes and I take really good care of them so I can keep them for a while. But one of the kiddos helped me, and so now this whole chunk right here is stuck with paint. So that's fun. But I mean, I still have the tip, so it works, but it works a lot better than the other brush. Now it's really starting. One roller full goes an awful long way. So that's kind of nice. I had a little bit of leftover blue from the living room, but I didn't think it would be enough. So what did I do? I bought a gallon. I'm going to give you 3 guesses on what I'm not going to be using this project. I have dipped this twice and done all of those squares. We got a lot of paint. Who wants a gingham wall in their house? I've got the paint. It is completely finished, and I've actually already done a second coat. This dark blue needed a second coat being over the light. Phew. That's all I can say, phew. The videos are definitely like delayed. I have a couple of days in between the videos, but not a couple of days in between my work days. So I'll be like soaking in it and maybe like napping it off the past crazy few days before you guys get to see it, but we'll probably peel it later tonight. We'll see what happens. I promise I'm not trying to like draw out the anticipation. We'll just see what happens. Okay, see ya.
Yeah, you don't need to go super fast. So far, so good, Mama.
We just missed a little spot right.
Now you see it. And now you don't. Ha ha.